Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek. Today in this very short video we will learn how to delete the blank pages from the Word project. And now it doesn't matter whether you're using Windows 2010, 7 or 8 or any version of Microsoft Word which you're using in your computer. So let's get started. See, I have 20 pages in this this is the project which I'm working on. And I can see here that there is a blank page. The second page is blank, and I also see some pages have only one sentences which I want to sort it out. So what I will suggest you first is by pressing the control button and from the mouse just use the arrow key to decrease the size of the pages. So it's very manageable. So if you can do that, that will be great. So I am just managing it like this, and here I want to delete the second page. So what I'll do is I'll click here and I'll try to press the back button 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Now in this manner the third page document is getting into the first page. Now here I can see the pages are only 19 pages. So in this manner I have removed one page. That was the blank page. Now if I scroll it down, I can see few more pages which I want to make it less, just like this. This is the page number 11. Here you can see this the page where right now I am. So what I'll do is I'll click on the very first of that and I will type backspace. See, I'm pressing the backspace and it's actually, just look at your cursor where exactly it's moving, and here see, so now I have 17 pages. So the best part is by pressing control and the down arrow key we can decrease the size of the word and we can manage and delete the pages from here. So let's say if I want one by one, I'll just give you an example here. Please watch the whole video and please do subscribe my channel. Just hit the like button and subscribe button for this video and I'll show you. See, this is the first page. I can see here page 1 and this is the page 2. Now I'll make it blank. How will I make it blank? I'll just press enter like this. See, so I have 18 pages now. You can see that. Now here I want to remove the second page. Is just what I need to do. Go to the third page and press the backspace button and keep on doing it. It's very easy, and just stop where you think it's fine and just press the control and arrow key from your mouse just to see the pages. Just adjust according to your convenience, okay? And in this manner you will be able to delete the pages from your project, because there are tons of pages which I have in Microsoft Word and I usually manage more than 1,000 pages a day. So I have to use this control and arrow key to minimize the pages so that I can manage all those. It's very easy to manage one by one, but if you have more than 15-20 pages, it's always recommended to view like this and then delete or manage the pages. Alright, so if you think that this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Just share the video, and you have a wonderful day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.